Before watching the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified each time we publish a new video. Warts can be so annoying when you see them on your body, of which removing them permanently is the only thing you can think of. There are several ways to get rid of warts on the body, but most of them are not effective because the warts tend to come back a few weeks or months after removing them. Warts are dead skin cells caused by one of the viruses of the human papilloma virus. The virus causes extra cell growth which leaves a thick spot on the outer layer of the skin. People with weak immune systems caused by some kind of infection or HIV are more likely to get warts because their immune systems are not strong enough to fight them off. Some of the ways warts are being treated in hospitals today include through the use of salicylic acid, cryotherapy, minor surgery, and laser treatment, etc. In this video, you are going to learn a simple home remedy to help you remove warts permanently without going to the doctor or spending too much. In order to prepare this powerful home remedy for removing warts, all you need is a half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of fresh onions juice, and 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Be informed that the above-mentioned ingredients have antiviral, antimicrobial, and antibacterial effects. Mix all of the ingredients together in a bowl and stir it properly to get a homogeneous mixture. After that, scrape off the surface of the warts on your body and rub the mixture on it deeply. Then, cover the warts with a small bandage so that the mixture will be absorbed into the skin to kill the warts. Remove the bandage after some hours when the mixture has been absorbed. Repeat this process daily until the warts are gone, which usually will not take more than 10 days. Be rest assured that once the warts are gone, you will not see it there again. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it on your social media platforms for others to benefit. For more helpful videos and tips, subscribe to the channel.